So this one today we're gonna unbox is Kugoo Crane G1. This one is by far maybe the most durable one I've ever seen. I haven't tested it yet, but I've seen some crazy people do some crazy tests on it, like the drop directly into the swimming pool, the crush it, the beat it, the pretty much everything you can think of. Is this thing really that durable? Is it indestructible? Let's find out in this video. Maybe not in this video, because this video is just unboxing. So if you want to see me do this kind of crazy test, just let me know in the comment section. So without further ado, let's get started. Inside the box, there is another box. We see charger and a cable. Then we see something like this. This is some kind of keychain. And then we see some screws and a hexagon screwdriver. Then a multi-language user manual. Kugoo Crane G1 Basilita Electrica Magnetic Explicative. And then let's take out this unbelievable scooter. Quite heavy. That's basically what the box has got. So this is the scooter. It's so heavy. So we see some wires here. First we need to connect. Let's unfold it. Very easy. So it has 6 screws. Do remember these 2 things I referred to before? And this is not some funny keychain or something. This is actually an NFC card to use it to activate your scooter. So when you press, you power on, and you have to use this. Also, another thing I really want to mention is this lock. You can just set a password and lock it. Anyway, we'll get down to this in my next video, so stay subscribed. So alright, that's the unboxing and a simple first look of the Kugoo Crane G1. And definitely I will test this thing heavily, crazily, you can name it, in the next few days. So stay subscribed. Or if you have any questions about it, please leave your comment below. I'm Sammy, and I will see you in the next one.